How long does a Forex trader take to be profitable? Welcome to the first episode of The Trader's Journey, where we will see how long it will take for me to become profitable in the Forex market. Right now, I am doing pre-market analysis and looking at the 4-hour chart for gold. Currently, it shows that gold is in a downtrend, so as the saying goes, the trend is your friend. We are going to trade with the trend instead of against. Right now, I am going to switch over to the 5-minute chart and look at the price action. I have identified a small uptrend, and I believe that this will entice traders to go in long positions. From this rectangle, I believe that short positions have finally met liquidity as there are buyers in that area of demand, which is why it forms a support level. I'm going to be drawing a second rectangle here, as I spotted that it might be one of the supply levels where long positions had finally met liquidity, as there are sellers in that area of supply, which is why it forms a resistance level, as price is too high for buyers. Now, I am looking for a short position around this area. However, I feel that price might push up more to gain more liquidity, resulting in other traders' short positions hitting the stop loss. So what I am going to do is actually place a sell limit at the stop loss where most traders would have it. For the take profit area, I found another demand level where price has touched before, showing liquidity in that demand area where I believe a bunch of buy limits and closes from short positions are at. So this was the sell limit that I had placed when the market opened, and to the right is the outcome of the trade, which grew my account by 5.2% after commissions. Right now, we are looking at Euro USD in the 4-hour chart. From here, I can see that it is in a downtrend, so I am going to trade with the trend. I will now be looking at the 5-minute chart and take a look. First thing I spotted is the buy-side liquidity around this area of price, so I'm going to mark that out. I also spotted another buy-side liquidity level above the current one, which has not been tested currently. Now I am looking for the sell-side liquidity, which is around this area. There's also another level of sell-side liquidity under that, and also another one. So by setting a few areas, I can secure partial profits at these certain areas to mitigate risk, and also having the rest of the trade play out to potentially get more profits. Right now, I am going to place a sell limit on this pair on the highest buy-side liquidity level and place the take profit at the lowest sell-side liquidity level. Now it's time to set the stop loss. I am looking for the buy-side liquidity to set my stop loss, as price might push up to hit my stop loss before going down if I place it too low. Unfortunately, this trade did not go as planned, as you can see from this picture. Right now, I am looking for another sell limit for the Euro USD after I got stopped out just now. I can spot that there is a liquidity level in this area, and the price has rejected from this level a few times, as you can tell by the arrows. There are also other levels of liquidity which I'm going to mark out. The safest trade, in my opinion, will be placing the sell limit around this area, as it is the highest buy-side liquidity level. Now I'm going to set the stop loss and take profit. Firstly, finding the lowest sell-side liquidity level to place the take profit and place the stop loss right above the high. It's 3 more minutes before the London session starts. Right now we are on gold in the 15-minute chart, and the first thing I spotted was the buy-side liquidity, which I'm going to mark it out. Over here, I can see that gold has broken out of this current high and is currently heading towards the buy-side liquidity. To the left, I also spotted a higher buy-side liquidity level, so I'm going to mark that area out as well. Now I'm looking for a sell limit, so I'm going to place the limit in this area, putting my stop loss above the high and my take profit at the lowest sell-side liquidity area. As you can see, price has touched the first level of liquidity, and I am getting the fear of missing out, and I want to enter the trade now. However, I'm going to stay disciplined and just wait and trust that price will touch my sell limit. As you can see, Euro USD didn't hit my sell limit and went straight to the take profit, which was quite sad, but things happen when trading Forex. As you can see, the sell limit I placed for gold did not go well, and I ended up losing the trade. The reason why there was so much volatility was because there was news released which impacted the USD. Hence, the high buying pressure for gold, which pushed it way above the highest liquidity I have drawn. As for Euro USD, price has gone way below the take profit, and sadly, price didn't hit my sell limit. For gold, I was hoping that price will hit the higher buy-side liquidity on the chart, but it didn't, and proceeded to reject from the one below. Looking at the 5-minute chart for Euro USD, I have spotted a buy-side liquidity level, and I'm going to place a sell limit in this area. And I will be placing the take profit at the sell-side liquidity. As you can see now, price is slowly moving up to hit the sell limit. My sell limit has been hit, and I am now in the trade. Right now, I'm actually searching for another take profit level, so I'm going to go to a higher time frame to find one. I will now be looking at the 4-hour chart. I have spotted a key level which price has reacted before, and below this I have spotted a lower sell-side liquidity, so I'm going to place my take profit in this area. As you can see, the risk to reward is insane, and I'm thinking of actually having different take profit levels to secure partial profit so I can mitigate the risk and let the remaining trade run without stressing out. This is a time lapse, and you can see that price has reached my first take profit and I secured it. For this trade, I managed to hit 2 take profit levels, but also hitting the stop loss on the last 0.05 lots. The first week of trading was profitable, and I managed to grow the account by 4.39% from the initial capital of $500. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like the video if you enjoy following my trading journey. Also, comment the strategies and currency that you all trade down in the comment section below.